Two Wabash Valley County health departments are reporting their first COVID-19 cases. Meanwhile, the number of cases in Indiana and Illinois continues to climb. First, let's take a look at the Wabash Valley cases. The Clay County Health Department is reporting its first positive COVID-19 case. Officials say the person is self-isolating at home and they will not release any other details about that patient. Greene County health officials are also reporting the first confirmed case there. Just yesterday, the Vigo County Health Department reported the first COVID-19 death in the valley. Health officials are also reporting 2 new cases in Vigo County. Cases have also been reported in Vermilion and Sullivan counties in Indiana and in Cumberland County, Illinois. Now, a closer look at the statewide case numbers. In Indiana, there are now more than 1,000 positive cases. 31 Hoosiers have died. In Illinois, there are 465 new cases and 13 new deaths. And as we told you at the start of this newscast, one of those dead is an infant under a year old. Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker made the announcement at the daily briefing this afternoon. The Illinois Department of Public Health director says this is the first time an infant has died with the virus. An investigation is underway to determine the official cause of death. Older adults are at greater risk. According to officials, 85% of Illinois deaths are people 60 and over. Governor Pritzker is pleading with people to take this seriously alongside the health director.
I'm sounding like a broken record because the truth remains the truth. These actions will help us end this pandemic. We must continue to take this coronavirus seriously. Even if you might only have a mild illness, that same illness spread to someone else could have a very tragic result.
The infant died in Chicago. It's the area that's been hardest hit in Illinois. Governor Pritzker also announced the opening of the state's first field hospital at the McCormick Place Convention Center. That says hospitals continually need more beds. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers and the city of Chicago are supporting those efforts. The United States is now leading the world with coronavirus cases. More than 100,000 people in this country have tested positive for COVID-19. According to the numbers from Johns Hopkins University, more than 600 people have died in New York. More than 100 have died in Washington state. More than 50 deaths have been reported out of New Jersey and Louisiana. Worldwide, there are more than 600,000 cases and around 30,000 deaths. Again, according to Johns Hopkins, roughly 140,000 people have recovered from the virus worldwide.